guys, welcome back to One of the Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix LG TV with half black screen. So if you're interested, let's get started. So this issue could be caused by a faulty panel, main board, HDMI connection, or even a burned out backlights. But in this case, don't rush this. Don't rush this to the repair shop yet. There are going to be a few steps here that you could try to maybe solve this issue. So first thing that you could do here is maybe do a soft reset for your TV. So what you need to do here is you want to basically turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall outlet or just the outlet. Then wait for around like 60 seconds or more and plug it back in once the time is up. So the quick reset often resolves issues like this. So if the problem persists, in this case, there is something still that you could do here. So second is you want to maybe reset all the external devices. So if you got devices like cable box, streaming devices connected to your TV, they might be the culprit here. No, so in this case, you want to turn off the external device by pressing the power button and wait for a minute and turn back on. And also alternatively, unplug the external device from its power source, wait for 1 minute and plug it back in and reconnect it to your TV. Now sometimes the way these devices communicate with the TV can cause display issues like this. Now, next thing that you could do here is you could try replugging your HDMI cables. So a faulty HDMI connection can also lead to a half black screen here. So in this case, you want to go ahead and unplug all HDMI cables from your TV. And you want to inspect the cables for damage or dust. Now, plug them back in securely. So, in this case, if you have a spare HDMI cable, use that to test this as well. And also make sure there's no metallic part showing in your HDMI here, just to make sure that it's plugged in properly. And additionally, make sure your TV is plugged directly into the wall outlet instead of the power strip. So, in this case, if you can try another wall outlet to see if it makes difference. Next is you want to check the backlights. So if the cables and external devices are fine, the backlights could be the issue here. So in this case, you want to turn off the lights on your room so it's dark, and you want to shine a flashlight on the dark half of the screen. So if you can faintly see an image on the dark half of the screen, it's likely that the backlight is burned out. So unfortunately, if this is the case, you'll need to have the backlights replaced, which may require professional help. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to One of the Inspo. Thank you for watching.